Ancient HVAC systems will reach a point where no repair will help them work properly. Replacing your old system with a brand new one is the best solution for your home and your pocket. While a new system is a big purchase, paying for it shouldn't be a big burden. At eSmith, finance your new HVAC system with no hassle or dodgy characters charging you secret fees. Enjoy monthly payments, competitive interest rates, and flexible terms. Most importantly, enjoy your new, reliable, and modern HVAC system. Call 770-422-1900 or visit eSmithair.com.